How are you doing?
I'm feeling a bit better, thank you.
Are you coming down? You're not
I
yet. Yeah,
am down.
yeah,
Yes.
good. Yeah.
Yes, I am, Barbara, yes.
Yeah. What's changed, do you think?
It's definitely the tapping because it's...
I love it when they say that.
It's definitely the tapping, believe you and me. I've
Yeah.
been to hell and back, and
Yeah.
it's very hard to be emotionally calm when discussing, this event.
Yes, yeah. That's what you'd like
It just
to be
does
able
me
to
undone,
do.
and I'm a tough cookie, but it really brings me undone.
Yes. Okay. So what if we just do a little tapping right for that issue, even though it undoes me to even think about her. Yeah.
Even though it breaks me down to even
Yeah.
think about it.
Yeah, yeah. I deeply and completely accept myself.
I deeply and completely accept myself.
Yeah, okay. Even though it really breaks me down to even think about it,
Even though it really breaks me down to think about it.
I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though it really breaks me down to think about it,
Even though it really breaks me down to think about it.
I deeply and completely accept myself.
I deeply and completely accept
Would you like them to be saying your story too?
If it applies to them.
You say it. Doesn't matter whether it applies to you or not. Okay? Top of your head. Yeah. It breaks me down to think about it.
Breaks me down to think about it.
It breaks me down to think about it.
It breaks me down to think about
I
it.
break down when I think about it.
I break down when I think about
I really don't want to be like this anymore.
it. I really don't want to be like this anymore.
I really want to be calm.
I really want to be calm.
It just breaks me down to think about it.
It just breaks me down to think.
It just breaks me down to think about it.
It just breaks me down to think about
It
it.
just breaks me down to think about it.
It just breaks me down to think
Yeah.
about it.
What if I could think about it and stay calm?
What if I could think about it and stay calm?
What if I'm already on the way to doing that?
What if I'm already on the way to doing that?
I just haven't noticed.
I just haven't noticed.
Maybe it's not as bad as it used to be,
Maybe it's not as bad as it used to
or
be.
maybe it is.
Or maybe it is.
Yeah. And maybe I'm ready to move,
Maybe I'm ready to
or
move.
maybe there's something I need to do first.
Maybe there's something I need to do first.
What if I gave myself permission to get over this?
What if I gave myself permission to get over this?
Would I be honouring my daughter?
Would I be honouring my daughter?
Does that make sense to you? Yeah. Yeah. I'm just not over this yet.
I'm just not over this yet.
I just wish I was.
I just wish I was.
I'm just not quite over it.
I'm just not quite over it.
Maybe I'm on the way.
Maybe I'm on the way.
Maybe this will really help.
Maybe this will really help.
It already has a little.
It already has a little.
That's true, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And maybe I'm on the right track
And maybe I'm on the right track.
and I can get better yet.
And I better yet.
Anything else occur to you that you'd like to say? No? Okay. Just keep tapping. This is my daughter.
This is my daughter.
And she died
And she died.
and I couldn't save her. That's a big thing, okay? I couldn't save my daughter.
I couldn't save my daughter.
I just couldn't save my daughter.
I just couldn't save my daughter.
Yeah, I just couldn't save my daughter.
I couldn't save my daughter.
It wasn't up to me to save her.
Oh, yes, it was.
Oh, it was. I feel responsible.
I feel responsible.
I should have saved my daughter.
I should have saved my daughter.
Yeah, yeah. It was absolutely up to me to save her.
She was in my care.
Oh, she was in my care. How old was your daughter again?
39.
Yeah, yeah. She was 39.
And she was a nurse.
And she was a nurse.
And she cared for so many
And
others.
she cared for other people.
And she was let down.
By me. Huh? Is that how you feel?
I think she was let down by me and by her medical team.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. Even though we all tried hard,
Even though we all tried hard,
we just couldn't save her.
we just couldn't save
Yeah,
her.
and I'm blaming myself.
And I'm blaming myself.
Yeah, look at me. Yeah, this is what this is about, right? I'm blaming myself.
And I'm blaming myself.
Yeah, yeah. I'm blaming myself.
I'm blaming myself.
Every mother of a 39-year-old daughter
Every mother of a 39-year-old
should take responsibility for their life.
should take responsibility for
I know that's not true.
I know that's not true.
I wish
when
it-
they're well.
Yeah, when they're well, yeah. When they're sick, it feels different.
When they're sick, it feels different.
Sometimes we just can't save our children,
Sometimes we just can't save our children.
and that's a huge grief.
And that's a huge grief.
Yeah, it's really distressing.
It's really distressing.
I'm still distressed about it.
I'm still distressed about it.
How are you doing?
I'm okay, thank you.
Okay.
I'm feeling much
So
better, thank
I
you,
want you to
Barbara.
remember back to your daughter. I want you
Yes.
to think about her again
Yes.
and notice how high the tears are now when you think about her.
They'll come,
Yes.
but yeah,
So just tap on.
I'm not feeling
just-
quite so.
Okay, so just tap on your hand.
I'm not ill now.
Every time the tears come, just give yourself a little tap on your fingers.
On
All
the
your fingers. Just all your fingers. Because this is so easy for you to do. You can do it wherever you are, whenever you feel the tears coming. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, yes, it does. Thank you. Yes. I really believe if EFT can work for me, it'll work for anybody.
So you're going to be the big advertisement,
I'm
right?
going to be the big
Yeah.
advertisement.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Do you
want people not to be able to, not to have to feel as abandoned and as lonely
Yeah.
as it is.
Yeah. Okay.
And it took me a long time to find EFT,
Yeah.
and I really feel it would have been the answer for my daughter.
Yeah.